Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to employee can create a visa request to the manager and HR. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module the employee visa. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to visa request app. Go to configuration menu and under the settings select here visa product like travels and accommodation. Let's say and go to settings and user in allow options visa HR and manager. Let's say again go to this visa request app. Now go to configuration menu and first configure here visa type like a student visa and visitor visa. Let's see. Next is the purpose type like a tour. Another is only visit and save. And third one is the visa checklist. Like all documents and fees. Let's see. Now go to visa request and create. Like select here employee Anita. Manager is the admin. And which country for like Canada. Select here departure time and return date. Create request date. Visa type is as a student. Purpose is tour. Employee contribution total 20,000. And company contribution total 20,000. So display here total expense 40,000 paid by employee and display here this checklist all documents and fees. It's check for the documents. So if allow this option then your request it's in checklist total display in with 50% and if allow this both then it's totally complete, it means 100%. If you want to add here any remarks then easily add here. Let's say and now display here the submit to manager, so move easily submit tag to manager. Now submit to the HR and now generate expense. Now easily view expense like a category travel for hotel plan ticket taxi etc. Total amount included tax 50% employees Anita paid by employee expense date and company. And easily print here this visa request. Now open it and display here all information as a PDF format. So using this our app you can easily create visa request to the manager and HR and also create expense to related this and print visa request as a PDF format. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.